Today we are starting chapter 2 of Footprints Without Feet, the Thief's Story. It's a story about a boy who is referred as a thief boy in the story. He was a thief basically, and he used to change his name every month. A young boy makes friend with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? Now, there's a person who employs him. He has a complete faith in Anil, but he betrays him. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. It's a story about a boy who was a thief and he met a person named Anil. This boy was 15 years old. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. The boy says that I was very experienced and fairly successful hand. Experience means he had an experience. Now, what experience? Now, we will come to read that he had an experience of doing theft. चोरी करने का एक्सपीरियंस उसको था. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow. Anil was watching a wrestling match. कुश्ती का मैच ही देख रहा था Anil, and that person Anil was 25 years old. He was tall, lean fellow. Lean means slim, patla, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. And he was very innocent person. He was not able to understand that he's going to be tricked. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Now, because Anil was innocent, so he thought that he can easily win the confidence of this person. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Now, in order to do flattery, जैसे कहते हैं ना हिंदी में मक्खन लगाना, he is trying to do flattery of Anil, and he says that you also look like a wrestler. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Now, in return, Anil said that you also look like a wrestler. Anil जो है उसको in return ये कहता है कि he looked like a wrestler. Now, he couldn't accept that comment because he was a very thin person. He did not have the personality of a wrestler. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Hari Singh, I lied. Now, when Anil asked his name, he said that his name was Hari Singh, and this was a lie. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Now, he used to change his name every month because he was a thief and he had to escape from police and the former employers, means the people who used to employ him. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. Now, Anil had a talk about wrestlers. Anil ने ऐसे ही normal सी talk start कर दी about wrestlers. How they lift people, how they throw each other, how they grunt is the sound that is produced while doing wrestling. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Now, Anil walked away and he followed that person. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said. Most appealing smile means he gave an appealing smile because he wanted job from Anil. Now, अनिल जो है वो उसको बड़ा इनोसेंट लगा और उसको वो पता था कि वो अनिल को इजीली बेवकूफ़ बना सकता है. तो ही वांटेड अ जॉब फ्रॉम अनिल, कि वो अनिल के पास काम करे. सो ही गिव एन अपीलिंग स्माइल. बट आई कांट पे यू. एंड देन ही सेड दैट आई कांट पे यू. अनिल सेड आई डोंट हैव money to pay you. I thought that over for a minute. Now he thought for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? ना वो तो आया था चोरी करने की इंटेंशन से. जो बंदा उसको ये कह रहा है कि मैं उसको पेमेंट नहीं कर सकता, ठीक है, दिस मीन्स ही विल नॉट हैव एनी मनी. व्हाट विल ही डू? व्हाट विल ही स्टील फ्रॉम हिम? I asked, can you feed me? Can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. Then he said that if you can cook for me, then you can take the job of cooking. And he said, I can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room over the Jamuna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Now he had a room over Jamuna sweet shop. एक मिठाई की दुकान थी, उसके ऊपर एक कमरा था. And he said that he can sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. Now the food that boy cooked was not suitable for Anil and he gave it to stray dog. उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा, उसने वो डॉग को डाल दिया और उसको ये कह दिया कि वो अब जा सकता है यहाँ पे, he cannot do cooking here. But I just hung around, smiling in most appealing way. Again he was smiling in most appealing way just to convince that he can be helpful for him. And he couldn't help laughing. Ultimately, he kept him in his own house. Means Anil kept that thief in his own house. Later he patted me on the head and said never mind, he would teach me to cook. उसने कहा कि ठीक है, अब मैं तुम्हें कुकिंग सिखाता हूँ. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. And Anil also started teaching him to read, to write, to count numbers, and he also taught him to cook. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. And if he can write, he can earn money also. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning, then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Now, after serving him tea, he used to go for buying the daily supplies. जो घर का राशन था वो लेके आता था. And every day he used to save 1 rupee for himself. जो thief boy था वो अपने लिए हर रोज़ कितने रुपए बचाता था? 1 rupee. Anil made money by fits and start. Fit and start means he did not have regular income. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. 1 week he had to borrow money from people, and the next week he used to lend money. Means sometimes he had money, sometimes he didn't have money. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. Now, how did he earn his living? How did Anil earn his living? He used to write for the magazines and then he used to get money. So, it is therefore that he did not have regular income. So, this was a strange way to make a living. Queen is strange. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Now one day he brought a bundle of notes because his book was published and he kept that money under the mattress. अपने गद्दे के नीचे रख ली. I had been working for Anil for almost a month and apart from cheating on the shopping, hadn't done anything in my line of work. Line of work means his line of work was to do theft. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Anil used to trust that person, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he had been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of work. किसी लालची बंदे को तो की चोरी करना आसान है बिकॉज ही कैन बी रॉब. लालच होगा तो वो पैसा इकट्ठा करता रहेगा, उसको इजीली आप रॉब कर लोगे. बट एक केयरलेस मैन को रॉब करोगे भी तो उसे पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि उसकी चोरी कर ली गई है. एंड दैट टेक्स ऑल द प्लेजर आउट ऑफ वर्क. वेल, इट्स टाइम आई डिड सम रियल वर्क. आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ आई एम आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस एंड इफ आई डोंट मेक द मनी ही will only waste it on his friends. आफ्टर ऑल ही डजंट इवन पे मी. उसने अल्टीमेटली डिसाइड किया दैट ही विल